Hello, welcome back to another video. As always, on this channel, you get new information. So, first of all, like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss any notification from us. So, today's video topic is airplanes owner cost. The bottom line. Many cost factors into economy of small aircraft ownership on an average of $75,000 finance Casin winds up costing 200 per hour in 1100 hours per year, with $80 going toward fuel, oil, and maintenance. Similar aircraft may be rented for about $125 per hour. So, how much is it to own a airplane? So, a magic number to officially make your own. Of course, you can also save a great deal of money buying you used, starting at around $30,000 and some hours on it. But if you want the new, never worn before feel, that is going to cost you 2,74,900. How much does jet fuel cost? 4.15 per gallon, and about 159% more than a year ago. How much does it cost to own a operate, and how much does it cost to buy your own private plane? And a private jet can cost anywhere from 2 million to over 100 million. And ongoing expenses may include flight crew salary and expenses, the cost of routine maintenance, and unforeseen repairs, hangar rental, and aircraft insurance. So, is real cost of owning an airplane? So this website is amazing. Names as Honeywell. So this tells you the real cost of owning an airplane. The other day I came across an article about the most elaborate and expensive aircraft around the world. This aircraft owned by some rich people live and contain most. So this, as you can see, talking about this. So purchase price, maintenance 300 hours, fuel 40, and you can see this very much expensive, 400 hours and then 300 hours. Insurance is also very, and hangar rental versus tie down. So this, you must read this add-ons as well. And this was amazing website which clears your all queries, but it will be more fun if you own a aircraft or an airplane. So there will be definitely a very much. How much does it cost monthly to own a private jet? Looking and get an Embraer Panama 300. The example provides about 1 and 16 share of aircraft purchase through executive air shares with run around 6 to 4 500. Your share of the plane's monthly expense will be 5,900, and you will have to pay 2,000 and 2,085 per hour when you use your private jet. Oh, it's very much expensive and very much expensive. How much do airline pays for gas? How much profit does an airlines make per flight? According to Wall Street Journey, average profit per passenger of the even largest USA airline was 17.75 for just a one-way flight. The average profit margin across those 7 airline was 9% in 2007. Airline pays rent to airport. Airline acts an airport rent, paying rent for continuing gate space. So this was the video, today's video topic. So see you next video. Take care.